Alright, this video is to help with arrays, coding bat number 1. We have to return true if 6 appears in either the first or the last element in the array, and we're guaranteed that I'll have at least one element, which is nice. That ensures we won't get array index out of bounds. So basically, I'm just going to do a check of the first one, so that'd be num's position 0, right? And if that equals 6, I want to return true. Okay, and then the other thing is I have to check the last one. So to do the last one, remember the last one is in position length -1. So in this first example, this has length of 3, but the indexes go 0, 1, 2. So we'd want to check position 2, which would be length -1. Okay, so I want to do a variable that represents the length. So I'm going to do nums.length to get the length. All right, and then I'm going to check that position to see if it's 6. So basically, if 0 is 6 or the last position, so length -1, right? I don't want to do the full length because that would be array index out of bounds, but length -1, check that one. If that is also equal to, or if that one is equal to 6, so if the first or the last is 6, return true, otherwise return false. Sorry, I'll move this up a little bit so it's easier to see. And I'm going to do no curly braces here because this is just a single line if, so that should work okay. All right, and we'll hit the random go button here. See, boom, looks like all green. All right, so that is it for the first one. Just check position 0 and then length -1 to be 6. And if it is, return true, otherwise false. Thanks for watching.